Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to take a backup on Cloudways hosting. Now in Cloudways, if you have created any website or hosted any website, then you will see those websites under the applications segment. Now you can see that we have created two applications. One is dummy application and another is blackfriday101.com that we have connected. Now we need to click on that particular website details or the application details. So let me show you first. So you can see that this is the website we have designed on this domain. I have created a detailed video on my YouTube channel. You can see this particular video, or you can go to Cloudways tutorial playlist and you will find all the useful tutorials related to Cloudways. Okay, now get back to Cloudways hosting. Now to take a backup, there is an option called backup and restore. Simply click on backup and restore. Now in the screen, you will see that there is a date option. So today is 23rd November. So we are going to take a backup of particular this date. Okay. So now there is a button called take backup now. So we'll click on take backup now. You can see that the backup process has been started. Now you can see that backup has been completed. Okay. Now you just need to click on this button. So you can see that. So there are two backups. So after that, I also created one more time so that I can show you that based on the time we are running that backup, it is actually taking the backup of that particular website. Now what we will do, we will simply go to the website, we'll do some change so that we can see that our backup is, if you restore the backup, whether it is working fine or not. So let's change few of the text here in the website. Now let's say instead of this good morning, I'll say backup taken. Okay, I'll simply change the text and I'll publish. We'll go to the website. So we did some change. Now again, I'll go back to our backup section and then click one of the backups. For example, let's say this backup I'll select and restore application now. I'll click on restore application now. Now in the restore application, you will see three options: complete restore, web files or database. So I'll click on complete restore. I'll select and proceed. See restoration application in progress. So you can see that this has been restored. Okay. Now if you go to the website again and if you refresh this page, we should get back our old website. So you can see that we got our old website back. So that is how you can take a backup and at the same time you can restore your website using Cloudways. Okay. So that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like and share this video. If you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.